warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yuni Sarina Sution. Here I want to explain about Bing Translator and Babylon Translator. The first is Bing Translator. Bing Translator is an online translation service provided by Microsoft. It allows users to translate text, documents, and even web page from one language to another language. Bing Translator uses advanced machine translation technology to produce accurate and reliable results. The service can be accessed via the Bing Translator website or through integration with various Microsoft products, such as the Bing search engine and Microsoft Office application. Okay, this is the example of how to use Bing Translator. The first, open a web browser and go to the official Bing Translator website. The second, you will find a text box that you can use to enter the text you want to translate. The third, select the search language from the drop-down menu next to the text box. Next, select the desired destination language from the drop-down menu next to the result text box. And enter the text you want to translate into the text box. After that, click the Translate button or similar button on the side. And then, your text will be translated and displayed in the result text box. And the last, you can also listen to the translation by clicking on the voice icon if available. Okay, that is the example of how to use Bing Translator. Okay, the next is advantage from the Bing Translator. The first, integration with Microsoft product. Bing Translation is integrated with various Microsoft products, such as the Bing search engine, its browser, and Office application, making it easier for users to carry out translation directly. And then, disadvantage of Bing Translator. First, accuracy limitation. Even though Bing Translator has a high level of accuracy, translation can still have errors or ambiguities, especially for complex or idiomatic sentences. The second, limitation in translating context. Translations sometimes do not take into account the correct context, so they can produce translations that do not match the original meaning. Okay, the next material is about Babylon Translator. Babylon Translator is an online translation platform that allows users to translate text from one language to another language quickly and easily. The service offers translation for various languages and also provided additional features such as dictionaries, language aptitude test, and translation tools for online content. Users can access Babylon Translator via its official website or via mobile application available for Android and iOS devices. Okay, now I will show you how to use Babylon Translator. The first, open a web browser and go to the official Babylon Translator website or download the Babylon Translator app if available for your device. The second, on the website or app, you will find a text box where you can enter the text you want to translate. The third, select the source language from the drop-down menu or from the options provided. And the next, select the desired destination language from the drop-down menu or from the option provided. And then, enter the text you want to translate into the text box. And after entering the text, click the Translate button or similar button found on the website or app. Next, your text will be translated and displayed in the result text box. And the last, additionally, You can also listen to the translation by clicking on the voice icon if available. Next is advantage from Babylon application. First, additional features. In addition to text translation, Babylon Translate also provides additional features such as dictionaries, language aptitude tests, and translation tools for online content, which can enhance the user experience. The second, intuitive interface. Babylon Translator's user interface is well designed and easy to use, making the translation process fast and efficient. Okay, next, disadvantage from Babylon Translator. First, limited accuracy. Although Babylon Translate tries to provide accurate translation, can still have errors or ambiguities, especially for complex or idiomatic sentence. The second, limitation on the free version. Although there is a free version of Babylon Translator, some additional features may require a paid subscription. Okay, I think that's it from me about Babylon Translator and Bing Translator. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.